So, you probably grabbed your phone before even getting out of bed today, right? We all do.
But by midday, a quiet loneliness kind of creeps in. No one actually knows how you're really doing.
Here's the crazy paradox. We're in history's most connected era, yet we literally ache for real contact.
Real connection? It only happens when someone truly sees the complex, messy, and totally unedited you.
We crave deep intimacy but settle for cheap reactions to digitized images. Let that sink in.
Living in a world of perfectly curated images trains us to hide our true, vulnerable selves.
This filtering just spirals. We hide our flaws until we literally forget how to sit with someone. Digital speed totally warps our perception. We mistake a natural, thoughtful human pause for apathy or distance.
We're so trained for instant replies, we misinterpret normal human exhaustion as a totally broken relationship.
Having infinite digital options actually destroys our ability to commit to one single, beautifully messy reality.
True connection isn't about messaging 24/7. It's about your actual presence, completely undivided by digital anxiety.
Are you struggling? You aren't broken. Your brain is literally rewiring for digital rhythms. It takes practice.
Sure, digital safety lets you edit out flaws, but only uncomfortable, irreversible reality builds real bonds. Genuine contact demands absolute rawness. No protective humor, no ironic distance, and definitely no edited versions.
Seriously, think back. When did you last feel truly heard, without someone just sending a heart emoji?
Deep contact requires slowing down, but in our hyper-connected world, that terrifies us. It feels like stopping.
Ask yourself, when did you last ditch the phone and just sit? Genuine presence is becoming extinct.
Do you actually use your safe spaces? Like, who gets to see your completely unedited self? When you grab your phone, what void or creeping anxiety are you frantically trying to fill?
Real connection demands your raw, unedited reality. So the final question is, dare you let yourself be seen?